What are the major approaches of construction cost estimation? Cost estimators rely on a number of estimation techniques, which vary in speed and potential accuracy. The major approaches to cost estimating include production function. A production function relates the amount built, the output, to factors such as materials and labor, the input. So if you want to achieve a certain level of output, number of square feet built, you look for the optimal input, labor hours per square foot. Production functions can be quite accurate for forecasting input-output relationships for projects of a particular type, and there is extensive data to draw from for certain project types, like schools and hospitals, for example. Stick estimating, highly accurate, but incredibly time-consuming. Stick estimating is the practice of determining total costs by listing, in order, the costs for every single component of a job. The sheer amount of time it takes to produce a stick estimate invites errors due to loss of concentration or carelessness. Empirical cost inference. This statistical method uses regression analyses to relate the cost of construction to a model of predictors. The accuracy of this method depends on the quality of the predictive model, so it calls for a good degree of familiarity with individual predictors of total construction costs and a knowledge of statistical methods. Unit cost estimating. Unit cost estimating simply associates unit costs with each assembly involved in a construction process. It's fairly quick and accurate, especially if one has used the assemblies previously, and there is evidence to justify the unit costs for each assembly. Allocation of joint costs. You allocate costs that are difficult to assign to individual project elements by using different mathematical formulas. For example, you can prorate field supervision proportionally to tasks based on their share of the total basic costs.